And get this, the Hodson is nicknamed the stink bird. Why? Because it eats so many leaves that its digestive system ferments them, kind of like a cow. The result? A unique aroma. Speaking of digestion, the Hodson is the only bird in the world that digests food in its crop, not its stomach, like a feathery cow with wings. Fun fact, baby Hodsons are escape artists. If a predator attacks, they'll dive into the water below and swim to safety. Then they climb right back up the tree using those wing claws. And their call? It sounds like a mix between a croak and a hiss, like a bird trying to beatbox.